Welcome to 2000 Royal Road, a wonderful 4-bedroom family home with 3 washrooms, enjoying a fantastic central location within Pickering's Village East neighbourhood. Featuring a charming brick exterior plus a double-car garage with additional driveway parking for up to 4 vehicles, the main and upper levels of this home both showcase a light, neutral decor with brightly lit living and personal spaces, the main level also having an open concept layout and flow that is well suited for entertaining. Beyond the ceramic tiled entrance foyer, hardwood flooring finishes the reception hall as well as the living, dining, and family rooms. These 3 rooms, plus the kitchen, additionally brightened with pot lighting. The living room exudes an aura of intimacy, with conversation and entertaining easily spilling from here into the dining area across the hall, which has an oversized window allowing for soft, natural lighting. Adjacent to this space is the family room, which centers itself around the coziness of a gas fireplace, has 2 west-facing windows for the added warmth of afternoon light, and which is open to the bright and functional eat-in kitchen. Also enjoying a west-facing exposure, the kitchen features ceramic flooring, includes a dishwasher, oven, and side-by-side fridge-freezer, has a stainless steel double sink and ample counter workspace, and its bright white cabinetry, which has a pantry, offers abundant storage. And the sliding door walkout from the breakfast area opens to a fully fenced backyard that can easily be transformed into an outdoor retreat to suit entertaining, gardening, or personal aspirations. The unfinished lower level of this home has a laundry area with a washer and dryer and great potential for future recreational space. The main level additionally features a coat closet and a powder room with a pedestal sink, both off the entrance hall. And to the upper level is an oak hardwood staircase with an oversized window along its south wall that floods natural light into the upper hallway. The hallway, as well as the 4 spacious bedrooms, all feature laminate flooring and upgraded light fixtures. The high ceiling above the staircase enhances the bright, airy openness felt throughout this level. A linen closet is located just outside the entry into the main 4-piece washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. With the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th bedrooms all featuring large windows, double closets, and able to accommodate sitting or study areas. Double doors open into the generously sized east-facing master suite. The bay window along its east wall has a vaulted ceiling above, with this space beautifully suited as a sitting area, and the wall niche next to it can be easily converted into a display unit, a bookshelf, or to accommodate storage. This light-washed personal space also showcases a walk-in closet, and its 4-piece ensuite washroom features ceramic finishes throughout, ample vanity storage, a corner soaker tub, and a separate walk-in shower area. Village East is a quiet neighborhood that has an exceptional location in East Pickering, and many great amenities are within walking distance or minutes away by car, including the Smart Center's Pickering Shopping Mall, restaurants and coffee shops, public transit, places of worship, schools, plus the numerous nature trails that wind their way throughout nearby Brockridge Community Park and other green spaces. This home is also just a short walk to the Pickering Town Centre Mall and the GO Station, as well as having easy access to Highway 401, and is close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.